Hello everyone, in this video, let us see how to add variable product to the restaurant. To add variable product to the restaurant, you should visit the delivery.app/admin website and then enter the valid credentials to log into the site. After login to the site, you can see the admin dashboard. Now, select the restaurant segment and select the restaurant list. Here you can see all the list of restaurants that have been created previously. Select a particular restaurant and log in to the restaurant. Now you can see the restaurant dashboard. In this, select product segment and select add product. Here we pre-filled the details. You can fill them according to your needs. To add a product with different add-ins, select variable product option. Here you can see the simple add-ins which were created previously. You can also add new simple add-ins by using this Add New Add-ins option. Now enter add-in's name and price, then save the details. The add-ins added successfully. Now drag and drop the add-ins to choose the add-ins which are going to be appear for this particular product for the end user. It will look like this for the end user. Or else, you can select Group Add-ins option. In the Group Add-ins option, you can manage and organize previously created add-ins by grouping them into a single unit. To create a new group add-on, select the Add New Group option. Here, enter a group name and specify whether the group should be mandatory or optional. If the group is mandatory, you must define the minimum and maximum number of add-ins that a customer can add from this group. Then select the specific add-ins to include in the group. Additionally, you can also decide whether the customer can add this choice multiple times or not. After filling all the details, click Save button so that the group will be added to the group add-on list. New group can be seen under the Group Add-ins option. These groups can also be dragged and dropped in the box given under Group Add-ins. By drag and dropping the group, you can make the group visible to the end user. But you only add either simple add-ins or group add-ins. After saving the details, the group add-ins will be displayed to the end user according to the specified conditions. The allowed range is 1 to 3 products. The user must select at least one but no more than 3 add-ins. If they attempt to exceed the maximum count, an alert prompt will notify them that they have exceeded the limit. Additionally, user can add the same product multiple times, up to the maximum count. This ensures that users have the flexibility to customize their selections. You can also edit this created group add-ins by using this edit option and save the changes. To add products of different sizes, select multiple size option. Choose a size from the drop-down menu or create a new size by selecting the Add Size option. Enter the desired size. Once the size is selected, you can input the price, provide a description and it is optional one, and designate whether it is the default size. If you select the default option for a product size, the corresponding price will be displayed as the default price in the Delivery app. You can add multiple sizes using the Add Size option. By using cross symbol option, you can delete the rows and save the details. Then you can drag and drop add-ins for each size individually. The previously dragged and dropped group add-ins are common to all sizes, but you can also add group add-ins specifically for each size. However, the same group add-on cannot be used both commonly and separately. Additionally, you have the option to add either simple or grouped add-ins, but not both for the same instance. This allows for detailed customization and ensures that add-ins are appropriately assigned based on product size. Save the details. Final group add-ins for the user will be displayed like this. If you select small size, You can see both commonly added group add-ins, that is, dessert jar toppings, and separately added add-ins, that is, toppings. User can add both add-ins. If you select large option, you can get only the commonly added group add-ins because we did not add add-ins separately for large size. That is how products with various add-ins and sizes can be made so that the user can customize their order the way they want. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was useful. See you on the next video.